Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Channel, the place where you can practice real English in a simple, calm, and comfortable way.
If you sometimes feel nervous speaking English, you are absolutely not alone.
In this podcast, we focus on everyday conversations, natural expressions, and building confidence step by step.
No pressure, no complicated grammar explanations, just real conversations you can actually use in your life.
I'm Maya.
And I'm Daniel.
And we're really happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're listening while drinking coffee, walking somewhere, studying quietly, or maybe practicing secretly with your headphones on, welcome.
Today, we're talking about something very real.
That moment when you want to speak English, but nothing comes out.
You know the words.
You practiced the sentences.
You practiced the sentences.
But when someone says hi,
your mind goes completely blank.
If that has ever happened to you, take a slow breath.
Because today, we're going to practice how to start a conversation in English without feeling so nervous.
Simple steps.
Real examples.
And lots of encouragement.
So relax your shoulders.
And let's begin.
Daniel, can I admit something?
Of course.
Even though I speak English every day, sometimes I still overthink the first sentence.
Really?
Yes, I prepare it in my head, maybe 5 times, and then when the moment comes, I hesitate.
That is normal.
It feels frustrating, though.
I understand, but usually the problem isn't English.
Then what is it?
Pressure.
Yes, that's exactly it.
When you start a conversation, you feel like there is a spotlight on you.
Like everyone is analyzing your grammar.
But most people are not analyzing you. They are thinking about themselves.
That's true.
They're wondering, what should I say next? Or do I look awkward?
So everyone is nervous, not just language learners?
Exactly.
That already makes me feel calmer.
Good, because the hardest part is not the conversation.
It's the beginning.
Yes, once you say the first sentence, the fear usually becomes smaller.
So today, we focus on that first step.
Exactly.
Okay, let's make this very simple. Starting a conversation is not about impressive vocabulary. It's about connection.
I'm ready to learn.
Good, because today I'm giving you a small formula. Only 3 steps.
Only 3?
Only 3. Step 1, a greeting. Step 2, a small comment or question. Step 3, a simple follow-up.
That sounds possible.
It is possible, and we're going to practice together, slowly. Step 1, greeting. The greeting is simple. Keep it natural. Hi, how's it going?
Hi, how's it going?
Good. Relax your voice.
Hi, how's it going?
Perfect. Notice how simple that is? Step 2, comment on the situation. Now look around you. Use your environment. If you're at work, busy day today? If you're at a cafe, this place is really nice. If you're at a class, is this your first time here?
So I don't need creative topics?
No, simple feels safe, and safe builds confidence.
That makes sense.
Conversation is not a performance. It's a small connection. Step 3, follow-up. After the person answers, show interest. You can say, "Oh, really? That's nice. Sounds good. Interesting."
Those are easy.
Exactly. Conversation is small exchanges, not a speech. Okay, let's imagine you're at work. You see a colleague near the coffee machine.
I'll be the colleague.
Okay, I'm slightly nervous already.
That's okay. Ready? Hi, Maya. How's it going?
Hi, Daniel. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Just a little tired today.
Oh, really? Long week?
Very long week.
I understand. It's been busy for me too.
See? That was natural.
It didn't feel perfect, but it felt real.
Real is better than perfect.
That's important. But what if there's silence?
Silence is normal. It's not a failure.
It feels awkward, though.
If silence happens, ask something simple. How was your weekend? Any plans for today? Are you working on something interesting?
Those feel safe.
Safe questions reduce anxiety.
And even if the conversation is short, that's okay?
That's completely okay.
Let's imagine a language exchange event.
Okay?
I see someone standing alone, and honestly, I want to stand alone too.
Very honest.
But I'll try. Hi, is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Oh, nice. I'm new too.
And now you have something in common
That actually feels natural.
because you focused on connection, not perfection.
Here's something important. Many learners think, I must say something impressive.
But confident speakers think, I'll say something simple.
That changes everything.
Lower expectations increase action.
Yes, confidence grows after action.
Not before.
Exactly. What about grammar mistakes?
Let me ask you something. Which is better, perfect grammar and silence, or imperfect grammar and connection?
Connection.
Exactly.
If you make a mistake, correct yourself calmly. I went there yesterday
That sounds natural.
because it's human. Before we finish, I want you to remember something.
You don't need perfect English to start a conversation.
You just need one simple sentence.
This week, start 3 small conversations.
Short, simple, brave.
Maybe you say, "Hi, how's it going?"
Maybe you say, is this your first time here?
Choose one sentence.
And try it.
Confidence doesn't come from thinking.
It comes from doing. Thank you for listening to the English Learning Channel.
We're really proud of you for practicing today.
We'll see you in the next episode.
And remember, just start.
Goodbye, everyone.